The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skiller, and right about now I have a video to show you of a person that claims to be a police officer, and this video shows of that person being arrested by another police officer, and the man that claims to be a police officer was not in any uniform, viewers and subscribers. Now this whole thing happened at Trinidad and Tobago, viewers and subscribers, and this video is out on social media where some people are saying that is this an example, you know, that a police officer should be setting if he is really a police officer, viewers and subscribers. Now this video shows of the police officer that was trying to arrest the man that claims to be a police officer had to be assisted by another police officer in trying to put the handcuff on that person that claims to be a police officer. Now I am going to show you this video so that you can have a look at it and you can also tell me what you think, and the question behind this video is this person a real police officer or not? And if this person is a real police officer, is this the kind of example a police officer should be setting by resisting arrest? Now the following video contains scenes that might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. And if you like how I present my videos to you, you can let me know in the comment section, and if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Alright? Observe.
Come out. That's what you see that? You see what? I tell you, come out, you're not coming out. I do not care. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. That don't choke me. Come on, you do it, boy. Come out, come out. I'm telling you. Come on. I'm telling you. Come on. I'm telling you. Come on. Come on. One of the phone. Come on. One of the phone. Why you don't come out? One of the phone. Come on. One of the phone. One of the phone. Right there. Just carry me there. Right. You can't get no instructions. You can't like tell him. Come on. I see a training shot out of my boy.
So if it's the police, you don't have to conduct yourself better than that. But that's what you're telling them. No, we're not saying the one in the car is the police. You don't have to conduct yourself better than that. The more people say
I am showing you. I am showing you. Boy, I trained for 7 months, boy. I know the right, boy. Cool yourself. You are assaulting me. You are assaulting me. Watch me. Just wait. I am showing you. Man, yourself, brother, man. I'm going to show you, boy. I am showing you. Watch me, boy. I am showing you. Brother, man. Pull yourself, boy. I'm showing you, boy. I am going to show you. Oh, you're calling. I'm telling you, boy. You're calling, boy. You're police officer, boy. Videotape everything what you see with it doing there, boy. Videotape. I'm telling you, boy. I don't care. I'm telling you, police boy.